BJP launching Modi Ma poster war amid Modi Ma abuse controversy on the occasion of the Prime Minister's birthday. The party has launched a poster. Modi's mother shown as goddess Durga. The poster says Durga slaying India bloc demons. They're on your screens at this point in time. The poster war twist to the Bihar elections. Showdown Rahul Revan Tejasvi Akhilesh shown as demons in that poster we put out for our viewers at this point in time. This is a controversy that refuses to die down in Patna. That's a poster that has been put out by the Bharatiya Janata Party, sending out a message that members of the India bloc are in fact against the country. In fact, Ma Durga is being portrayed here with showing slaying India bloc demons. Rohit has got more details on that story. Rohit, the BJP taking this controversy to just another level once again, isn't it? After comments are made against the Prime Minister's mother, breaking this up in poll-bound state of Bihar here.
Well, yes, a poster has been put up today in Patna by a person who claims to be a BJP leader. And this is happening on the occasion of Prime Minister Modi's birthday, and just because Durga Puja is also going to come. So in this poster that has been put up, all the opposition leaders, Rahul Gandhi, Tejasvi Yadav, or Akhilesh Yadav, Hemant Soren, everyone here has been shown as a demon, and they are being shown that they are being slain by Ma Durga. So this is obviously BJP is taking it to another level, where on the occasion of Prime Minister's birthday, it is being shown through this poster that all these opposition leaders will be eliminated. They will be finished by Ma Durga. So this is what has been manifested in this poster.
Getting in those details, Rahul Gandhi, Revanth Reddy, etc. and the other opposition leaders portrayed as demons in that poster that has been put out by the Bharatiya Janata Party on the occasion of the Prime Minister's birthday today. And also, Durga Puja, remember, just around the corner.